नमस्सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेषां स्वागतं व्याहरामि। अत्र अद्य गीता सप्ताहस्य गीताजयन्तेः इदमिदानीं चतुर्दशतमदिनाङ्के यदभवत् तस्य कृते गीतासप्ताहः इति तस्मिन् कृते अस्माभिरपि किञ्चित् योगदानं भवेत् अस्य गणस्य इति चिन्तयित्वा वयं चितभागस्य भगवद्गीतायाः संक्षेपपारायणं कुर्मः। तत्र प्रायः 16 विद्यार्थिभिः क्रियते तत् कार्यं, मयापि अन्ते किञ्चित् क्रियते। तु द्वितीयोऽध्यायात् चितश्लोकाः। इदानीं प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओं तत्सत्। श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। इदानीं श्रीमती रमा श्रीधर्वर्ये अस्ति वा? रमा
अस्ति महोदय।
कृपया प्रारम्भं करोतु। द्विवारं पठतु। सञ्जय उवाच इत्यारभ्य मधुसूदनः पर्यन्तं द्विवारं सावधानतया पठतु। तदनन्तरम् अहम् आङ्ग्ले यदस्ति तत् पठामि। तदनन्तरम् अग्रिमश्लोकं प्रति गमिष्यामः। स्वागतं भगिनि।
सम्यक् महोदय। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सांख्ययोगो नाम द्वितीयोऽध्यायः। सञ्जय उवाच तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः। तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदनः।
सम्यक्।
श्रीभगवानुवाच।
एकनिमिषम्। So Sanjaya says to him, to Arjuna, who was thus possessed by compassion, whose eyes were confused and filled with tears, and who was sinking in despondency, Madhusudana, that is Krishna, told this following sentence. Continue, Bhagini.
श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन। श्रीभगवानुवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदं विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन।
Krishna responds, O Arjuna, at a critical moment, from where did this sinful act come to you, which is practiced by men of ignoble, low birth, and which is leading to inglorious hell? Thanks, Bhagini. Now, Srimati Kalpana Parihar, is she there?
जय श्री कृष्ण।
Patatu, Bhagini.
क्लैब्यमास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वयुपपद्यते शूद्रन् हृदय दौर्बल्यन् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप। क्लैब्यमास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वयुपपद्यते शूद्रन् हृदय दौर्बल्यन् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप।
Samyak, Dhanyavadah. Stoop not to unmanliness, O son of Kunti. It does not befit you. Shirking off the petty weakness of heart, arise, O scorcher of the foes. Continue, Bhagini.
अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्महं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्म अहं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन
To these words of Krishna, Arjuna responds. Arjuna says, how shall I, with arrows, fight in battle against Bhishma and Drona, both being worthy of reverence? O slayer of Madhu, O slayer of foes, Krishna. Thank you, Bhagini. Uma Ravichandran Varye, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes.
please, yeah.
Guru Nagatva hi Makhanubhavan Shreyo Bhoktum Vaishnamahika Loke Hatvarta Kamastu Guru Nihaiva Punchiya Bhogan Rudiri Pradiktan Guru Nagatva hi Mahanubhavan Shreyo Bhoktum Vaishnamahika Loke Hatvarta Kamastu Guru Nihaiva Punchiva Pokan Rudirik Pradigdhan.
So he continues saying to Krishna, that is Arjuna, it is good indeed even to go about begging in this world rather than gain by killing the elders of great dignity. But with a greed for wealth, by killing my elders, I would not enjoy the blood-stained objects of pleasure so obtained. Next one, Bhagini.
न चैतत्वित्मकत्रन् करीयो यत्वा जयेम यदि वा न जयुः यानेव हत्वा न जीजविषाम तेव स्थिता प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः
Punaha.
न चैतत्वित्मकदरन् करीयो यत्वा जये स यदि वा न जयुः यानेव हत्वा न जीजविष्म तेव स्थिताः प्रमुखे धार्तराष्ट्राः.
Whether we should win in the battle or they should win over us, we do not know which of these two is better for us. For having killed whom we would not wish to leave at all, the same person stand before us as Dhritarashtra's men. Thank you, Bhagini.
Thank you, sir.
Srimati Lakshmi Kumar, are you there?
महोदय
Please kindly read.
कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम् कार्पण्यदोषोपहतः स्वभावः पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेताः यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधि मां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
With my very nature overpowered by the taint of pity, and with my mind utterly confused as to the right action now, I ask you, tell me definitely what would be good to me. I am your pupil. Please teach me as I take refuge in you, Krishna. Continue, Bhagini.
न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्चोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्. न हि प्रपश्यामि ममापनुद्यात् यच्चोकमुच्छोषणमिन्द्रियाणाम् अवाप्य भूमावसपत्नमृद्धम् राज्यं सुराणामपि चाधिपत्यम्.
I do not clearly see what would drive out my grief, which grief is the scorcher of my sense organs, even after achieving a prosperous and unrivaled kingship in this earth and also the overlordship of the gods, such a gain would not help me. That's what he's saying. Thank you, Bhagini. Srimati Chitra Narayanan.
हाँ महोदय.
Please kindly.
संजय उवाच एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेश परन्तपः न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः. एवमुक्त्वा ऋषिकेशं गुडाकेश परन्तपः न योत्स्य इति गोविन्दम् उक्त्वा तूष्णीं बभूवः.
Samyak. Sanjaya says, and here basically the Kavi has withdrawn back to Sanjaya's level, who is now quoting to Dhritarashtra the episode of the battlefield. Sanjaya says to Dhritarashtra, "O scorcher of foes," addressing Dhritarashtra, "having spoken to Hrishikesha or Krishna, the master of mind and sense organs, or Govinda in this manner, and having declared, I will not fight, Gudakesha, Arjuna, who is the master of overcoming sleep, became silent." Bhagini, next one.
तम् उवाच ऋषिकेश प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः. तम् उवाच ऋषिकेश प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः.
O descendant of Bharata, O Dhritarashtra, Hrishikesha or Krishna, as if he was smiling, spoke to him, Arjuna, who was sinking in despondency in between the two armies. Thank you, Bhagini. Srimati Dr. Jayanti Shri Krishna Kulkarni Varye, are you there? Ha, please kindly read, Bhagini. We are not hearing you. You are unmuted according to the icon, but we are not hearing you, Bhagini. Just we are hearing you now. Go ahead.
Okay. अशोच्यान् अन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादाश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः. श्रीभगवानुवाच अशोच्यान् अन्वशोचस्त्वं प्रज्ञावादाश्च भाषसे गतासु न गतासूश्च नानुशोचन्ति पण्डिताः.
So Krishna responds back to Arjuna and the battlefield. So Krishna says, lamenting for those who cannot be lamented upon and those who do not deserve to be lamented upon, you do not talk like a wise man, hey Arjuna. The learned do not lament for those of departed and non-departed lives. That means those who are here at present and those who are mere souls now. Okay. So next one.
नत्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेवे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्. नत्वेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपाः न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयमतः परम्.
Samyak. Never indeed at any time in the past did I not exist, nor you, nor these kings. and never shall we all not exist hereafter either, in the sense that we are eternal souls. Okay. Thank you, Bhagini.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyavadaha. Shri Samir Varya.
Sir, can you hear me? Namo
Yes,
Namah.
I can hear you, sir. Please.
Dehinosmin yata dehe kaumaram yauvanam jara tata dehantara praptir dhiras tatra namuyati. Dehinosmin yata dehe kaumaram yauvanam jara tata dehantara praptir dhiras tatra namuyati.
Samyak. Just as boyhood, youth, and old age come to the embodied soul in this body, in the same manner is the attaining of another body. The wise man is not deluded at the loss of a body. Continue, sir.
Matra sparshastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkhadah agama payino nitya tanstitikshasva bharata. Matra sparshastu kaunteya shitoshna sukha dukkhadah agama payino nitya tanstitikshasva bharata.
Samyak. O son of Kunti, the contact of senses with their objects or Vishayas give rise to the feelings of cold and heat, pleasure and pain. They come and they go, never lasting long. Endure them, O descendant of Bharata. Thank you, Varya. Well done. Kartikeyan Varya. Shri Kartikeyan Varya. Okay, let me check the list.
Yam hina vyathayandete purusham purusharshapha samadukha sukham dhiram so amritatvaya kalpate. Yam hina vyathayandete purusham purusharshapha samadukha sukham dhiram so amritatvaya kalpate.
Samyak. O chief of men, for he whom these do not gain affect, and to whom pain and pleasure are the one and same, that steadfast man, Sthita Prajna, alone is worthy of immortality. That means we have to remain same between the diverse possibilities. Continue, Varya.
Nasato vidyate bhavo na bhavo vidyate sataha upayorapi drishtontaha tvanayostattvadarshibhihi. Nasato vidyate bhavo na bhavo vidyate sataha upayorapi drishtonta tvanayostattvadarshibhihi.
The unreal can never come into being. The real never ceases to be. The conclusion about these two is seen by the seers of the truth, the rishis, the truth being the tattva. Thanks, Varya. Well done. Srimati Chandra Sridharan Varye.
Ambadhodaya.
Please.
Avinashutu tatviddihi yena sarvamitam tatam vinashamavyayasyasya nagachit kartumarhati. Avinashutu tatviddihi yena sarvamitam tatam vinashamavyayasyasya nagachit kartumarhati.
Samyak. Know that to be indestructible, which by all this is pervaded, all this world, universe is pervaded, which is talking about the eternal reality of God. None can cause the destruction of this immutable, or the soul, you can say. Continue.
Antavanta ime deha nityas yukta sharirinaha anashino prameyasya tasmat yutyasva bharata. Antavante ime deha nityas yukta sharirinaha अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्मात् युज्यस्व भारत.
These bodies of Jiva, the embodied self, are said to have an end, while the Jiva itself is eternal. The Jiva itself is eternal, indestructible, and incomprehensible. Therefore, just give me a indestructible and incomprehensible. Therefore, fight on, O Bharata, Arjuna. I will repeat the reading, sorry. These bodies of Jiva, the embodied self, are said to have an end. The Sharira is said to have an end, while the Jiva itself is eternal, indestructible, and incomprehensible. That means not for the Sharira to know it. Therefore, fight on, O Bharata, O Arjuna. हाँ, थैंक यू भगिनी. श्रीमती विजयश्री मल्लिकार्जुन कांडे.
य एनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते. य एनं वेत्ति हन्तारं यश्चैनं मन्यते हतम् उभौ तौ न विजानीतो नायं हन्ति न हन्यते.
He who deems it or that self or the Atman as a slayer, and he who thinks of it, the same Atman, as the slain, both are ignorant. For the self neither slays nor is slain. In more colorful words, he is describing the indestructibility of the soul or Atman. Continue, Bhagini.
न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन्नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे.
Samyak. It or that self or the Atman is never born, it never dies. Being present, it never ceases to be. Unborn, eternal, abiding, and primeval, it is not slain when the body is slain. Thanks, Bhagini. Well done. Srimati Ashalata Govind.
Namaste, Guruji.
Please.
Jai Sri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Veda vinashinan nityam ya enamajamavyayam kadam sapurusha partha kangadayati hantikam. Veda vinashinan nityam ya enamajamavyayam kadam sapurusha partha kangadayati hantikam.
He who knows this self to be indestructible, unborn, and unchanging, and hence eternal, how and whom, Arjuna, does he cause to be killed, and whom does he kill? Next one, Bhagini.
वासांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. वासांसि जीर्णानि यदा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि.
Samyak. Just as a man casts off worn out garments and puts on others that are new, so does the embodied self or the Atman cast off its worn out bodies and enter into others that are new. Thanks, Bhagini. Well done. Srimati Chandra Balakrishnan Iyer Varya.
Mahodaya.
Please.
नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापो न शोषयति मारुतः.
Weapons do not cleave it or split it, the self. A fire does not burn it. Water does not wet it. And wind does not dry it. Typically, our rishis describe what cannot be described using what it is not. Okay, so that's a very beautiful style in you will see in the Vedantic texts. Please, Bhagini, continue.
अच्छेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुर् अचलोऽयं सनातनः अच्छेद्योऽयमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शोष एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुर् अचलोऽयं सनातनः. धन्यवादः.
Lovely. It cannot be cleft or pierced. It cannot be burnt. It cannot be wetted, and it cannot be dried. It is eternal, all-pervading, stable, immovable, and ancient. Thank you, Bhagini. So, Shri Surya Narayana Varya. Surya Narayana.
Namaskar.
Mahodaya, please.
Avyayakto yamachintyo yamavikaryo yamachyate tasmadhevam viditvainam nanushochitam marhasi.
Okay, one correction. I have a spelling error there. Avyakto, this yakara has to have a halant tag. Unfortunately, looks like there is an editing error from my side. So avyakto, you read it, please, sir. Again.
Avyakto yamachintayo yamavikaryo yamuchyate tasmadhevam viditvainam nanushochitumarhasi.
This self is said to be unmanifest, inconceivable by the limited human mind, and unchanging. Therefore, knowing it thus, it does not befit you to grieve. Okay. One more, Mahodaya.
Atachainam chainam nityajatam nityam va manyase mritam tadapi tvam mahabhoho naivam shochitumarhasi. Atachainam nityajatam nityam va manyase mritam tadapi tvam mahabhoho naivam shochitumarhasi.
Samyak. Or if you hold this self as being constantly born and as constantly dying, even then, O mighty armed one, it does not become of you to feel aggrieved. This is giving an alternative thought line. Thank you, Varya. So, Srimati Suchira Mehta Pandey Varya.
जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्ममृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्ममृतस्य च तस्मादपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
Samyak. For death is certain for the born, and rebirth is certain for the dead. Therefore, you should not feel grief for what is inevitable. Continue, Bhagini.
अव्यक्तादीनि भूतानि व्यक्तमध्यानि भारत अव्यक्तनिधनान्येव तत्र का परिदेवना अव्यक्तादीनि भूतानि व्यक्तमध्यानि भारत अव्यक्तनिधनान्येव तत्र का परिदेवना.
O Arjuna, beings have an unknown beginning, a known middle, which is the life or the lives as we know now, and an unknown end. What is there to grieve over in all this? Thank you, Suchitra Varye. Srimati Madhavi Thank you, Bhagini. Srimati Madhavi Prahlad Kulkarni.
नमो नमः गुरुवर्य.
Please.
आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित्.
Very nice. Oh, one looks upon this self as a wonder. Likewise, another speaks of it as a wonder. Yet another hears of it as a wonder. And even after hearing of it, one knows it not. Continue, Bhagini.
देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयन् देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि. देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयन् देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि.
The self, O Arjuna, is eternal and indestructible in the bodies of all. Therefore, it is not fit for you to feel grief for any being. Thank you, Madhavi Varya. Well done. Shri Pramod Kumar Mishra Varya. Yeah.
Namo Namo.
Namaste.
Swadharma api chavyekshya na vikampitumarhasi dharmadi yuddha shreyonyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. Swadharma api chavyekshya na vikampitumarhasi dhamyadi yuddha shreyonyat kshatriyasya na vidyate.
Samyak. Further, considering also your own duty, it does not befit you to waver. For to a Kshatriya, there is no greater good than a righteous war, dharmic war. Continue, Varya.
Yadrichaya chopapannam swargadwaram apavrutam sukhinah kshatriya partha labhante yudhamidisham. Yadrichaya chopapannam swargadwaram apavrutam sukhinah kshatriya partha labhante yudhamidisham.
Happy are the Kshatriyas, O Arjuna, to whom a war like this comes of its own accord, like an open gate to heaven. Thank you very much, Pramod Varya. So I will Dhanyavadaha. So I will just read this verse and then we'll close out. It's not the entire chapter. We are somewhere midway in the chapter. That's okay. Ata chetvamimam dharmyam sangramam na karishyasi tatah swadharmam kirtim cha hitva papamavapsyasi. अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं संग्रामं न करिष्यसि ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि. So Krishna is continuing the Bodha to Arjuna. But if you do not fight this righteous war, you will be turning away from your duty and honored position and will be incurring sin. Okay. So with this we will conclude today. I will read the concluding statement. Though this is done at the end of the chapter, because of our Parayana ending, we can very much read this. Om Tat Sadidi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Sankhya Yogo Nama Dvitiyodhyayah. Om Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha, Shri Krishnaya Namaha. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. धन्यवादः. एकनिमिषम् अहं मुद्रणं स्थगयामि. पुनः कक्ष्यां प्रारम्भं कुर्मः. अत्रैव सम्पर्के भवन्तु.